just like auto insurance, home insurance is going to place risks that are specific to the home on the insurance company. So somebody breaks in and steals your stuff. The house catches on fire. A tree falls and hits your home. Replacement cost is a significant component here to the homeowner's policy because no two homes are alike. You may have really high-end finishes in one home or builder grade finishes in another home. So whenever you are writing a homeowner's policy, you need to basically build it according to that home. Whereas there may be 30,000 Dodge Neons that came off the line that year, and they're all the same. So there's no question there. But home insurance, we frequently find, is structured improperly, built on a cookie cutter model. We don't do that, but we will frequently meet folks who their insurance isn't actually covering what they think it's supposed to cover.